Security system is now activated.
Wow! First a shirt roller coaster, and now a laser light show? I'm really starting to like this place. Jackie, what is this?
It's a security system. If you cross in front of even one of these lights, an alarm will go off.
What's the alarm sound like?
It's sort of like, wee-woo, 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 womp, 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 beep-boop-boop, beep-boop-boop.
I think we get the picture.
We can't step in front of any of the lights.
That's an intense security system. He's got some high-quality dog treats to protect. So what do we do now? Flip and jump and slide around the lights to turn off the alarm so we can get to the door?
That's exactly what we'll do.
Are you ready, Jackie?
I was born ready.
Wee-oo, I really hope nothing goes wee-oo. Oh, I can't watch. Almost there.
Nice and slow, Jackie.
Security system deactivated.
Yes! That was amazing. You did it!
Thanks, guys. Just one problem. The alarm is off, but we're still locked inside.
Lucky for us, we've got